some on your chin.
I'm recording you.
Not drool.
Wait for the camera.
Not drool. Alright, I'm ready.
Brayden's smuggling her presents out, Mom.
What? I'm not.
Call Sophie back. Oh, Sophie's tired.
Sophie, I can't. The dog's tongue's on my
Call Daggy.
Hey, Mommy, it's 9:33.
Oh, wait, there she
She
comes.
wants to hurry up and go.
Where'd my toes go?
Oh, my nose. What was missing my nose? Okay, there goes my eyeball. I'm getting the
Watch her
eyeball.
paw. Oh,
Sophie.
oh, Soph. Move, Ian. I'm recording. You can get in the picture.
No. Ah!
Don't you miss a big dog?
Yes. Ah, Lola!
But see, Tigger was just big, grown up. So he wasn't as frisky, you know what I mean? It's neat having, my head hurts now. It's neat having a big dog like this, a puppy still.
She's gonna get bigger. Yeah, stop being short. You guys
This
have
was my
tall
first
dogs.
dream dog, Kelly, with a St. Bernard.
I want a bulldog.
And then I want a Basset Hound. Frank's the one who got me into German Shepherd.